So hey guys, hello and welcome to another new video. Friends, today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can recover non-branded deleted YouTube channel. A lot of people are searching in the YouTube how to recover old deleted YouTube account, but with little or no use. So guys, today in this video I will show you step by step how you can recover your deleted non-branded YouTube channel. So without getting much delay, let's go into this. So first of all, guys, what we need is a working internet connection, Google Chrome browser. So friends, here you can type Gmail. As you know, all accounts are linked with your Google account. So you have to type gmail.com. After getting into the Gmail, you have to sign in with your Google account. Friends, you have to sign that Google account in which you have your YouTube account linked or your deleted YouTube account linked. So guys, here you can see I am into my Google account. Here friends, you have to click on this and then you have to click your manage your Google account. So friends, the interface looks like this. So guys, here you can see there are a lot of options coming, but you have to click on there, data and personalization. After you click there, the interface look like this. So friends, here you can see all the activity controls that are linked with your Google account. Web and app activity, location activity, manage your activity controls. You have to scroll down and friends, you have to go to your Google dashboard. As soon as you click on your Google dashboard, you will see lot of options there. So friends, you have to, there is a one option, download your data, delete a service. So guys, you have to scroll down and look for a branded account. Guys, here is a branded account. You have to click on this. So guys, the deleted account that you have deleted in the past 1 year or so will be there. You can see friends, that is the account that I have deleted. So simply now click on there and click on restore. So friends, as soon as you click restore, you will some security questions like password, one-time password or OTP if you have verification, to set verification alert. After that, you will be able to get back to your account like this. I will show into YouTube like this friends. I will, here you can see friends, that is the YouTube account that I was looking. So I hope that you like this video. Thanks friends for watching this. Thank you.